your guide to constellations, deep sky objects, planets, and events. Tonight's sky, highlights of the January sky. The winter sky is filled with brilliant stars of many colors. Auriga is a beautiful circlet of jeweled stars, gracing the zenith overhead. An ancient constellation, Auriga was pictured as a charioteer with a goat thrown over his shoulder. Capella, the sixth brightest star in the sky, is actually a double star system. Its two stars are yellow, like our sun, but each is about 10 times larger and 50 to 80 times more luminous. Near Auriga is the large constellation Taurus, the bull. In Greek legend, this group of stars represented Zeus in the disguise of a white bull with golden horns. His eye is orange Aldebaran, an older star in the advanced stages of its evolution. The Hyades, a cluster of stars that can be seen with the unaided eye, creates the bull's V-shaped head. The Pleiades star cluster lies near the head of the bull. Also known as the Seven Sisters, this large and bright star cluster is one of the best known in the sky. The Pleiades contains over 250 stars, but the unaided eye can see only 6 or 7 of these. This stellar swarm consists of hot, young stars born from cosmic dust and gas. The dusty cloud they are passing through reflects their blue light. Look for brilliant Venus gleaming in the western sky before and after sunset. Saturn begins his rise into the night sky after midnight. Bring in the new year with the Quantarid meteor shower from January 1st to 5th. This shower averages about 40 meteors per hour. The best views are to the northeast after midnight. The start of 2009 launches the International Year of Astronomy. Celebrate by exploring the night sky from your own backyard.